Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a beautiful 1972 Mercury Cougar XR7 convertible. You heard that beautiful sound coming in as well. That's compliments of a 351 Cleveland. Long tube headers and the Flow Masters. Don't hurt either. We do have the boot for that convertible top, which you saw. It is a power top. That boot fits it beautifully, by the way. I know sometimes on classic cars they just don't work well. This one works quite well. Top goes up and down very well. To match that 351 is an automatic transmission. That's a C4 automatic. Aftermarket stereo, beautiful looking dash as well. And make sure you hang out the end of this video for some still pictures. Get a little bit better pictures of the internals, the undercarriage, the trunk. Top is in beautiful condition, the carpet, the seats, the dash, everything. And the sound, sounds like a Cougar, man. A real live Cougar. It is awesome. Rallies on all fours, go along with the Cobras. Those are front wheel discs. Drums in the back. There's your 351 Cleveland. Starts up first time every time. Runs like a top. Nice chrome front and back. Beautiful chrome kit on top here. You have the Edelbrock Carburetor, your intake manifold, chrome valve covers and the chrome breather cover as well. Nice straight car, great graphics. This is a real XR7. Compliments of us, new gas tank, new air shocks. Just a beautiful all-round car. Get in and drive it today. Again, hang out the end of the video. Check out all the stills pictures that we have. Please also check us out on Facebook and Instagram, as well as YouTube. Please subscribe to us. That would be awesome. We appreciate that. Give us a call. Be glad to help out. CruisinClassicsInc.com is our website. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.